Yay, bonjour la classe! It's lesson 3A, a point de départ of descriptive adjectives. As you learned in lesson 1B, adjectives describe people, places, and things. In French, the forms of most adjectives vary depending on whether the noun they describe are masculine or feminine, singular or plural. Furthermore, French adjectives are usually placed after the noun they modify when they don't directly follow the form of être. Like you've heard of like the house red or the boy smart or something. We have le père est américain, the father is American, or as-tu des cours faciles? Do you have easy classes? Let's see what we got here. Oops. You've already learned several adjectives of nationality as well as some adjectives to describe someone's personality and your classes. Here are some adjectives to describe physical characteristics. All right, let's pronounce them. Ready? Bleu, bleu, blanc, blonde, brun, brune, châtain, and that stays the same for feminine, court, courte, grand, grande, jeune, that's the same for both because it already ends in an E, jolie, jolie, laid, laid, marron, the same for both, noir, noir, petit, petite, red, vert, verte. Notice I did the masculine form and then the feminine form, and the plural ones would sound the same. In the example below, the adjectives agree in number and gender with the subjects they describe. Remember that, in general, you add E to make an adjective feminine unless it already ends in an unaccented E. You add S to make an adjective plural unless it already ends in S. So you can add an extra E to an E accent, but you can't if it already ends in E. Par exemple, check it out. L'examen est long. Elle est blonde et petite. Les tableaux sont laids. Eva et Julie sont jeunes et jolies. Notice where they add the E's and S's. The adjective marron is invariable. In other words, it does not agree in gender and number with the noun it modifies. The adjective châtain is almost exclusively used to describe hair color. It's like chestnut hair color. Mon neveu a les yeux marrons. Notice it's the eyes brown. Ma nièce a les cheveux châtains. The hair brown. Use the expression de taille moyenne to describe someone or something of medium size. Victor est un homme de taille moyenne. C'est une université de taille moyenne. All right, here's some fun adjectives. Let's try to say them. Ready? Beau, belle. Beau, belle. Can't hear you. Bon, bonne. Bon, bonne. Fier, fier. Fier, fier. Gros, grosse. Gros, grosse. Heureux, heureuse. Heureux, heureuse. Intellectuel, intellectuel. Sounds about the same. Intellectuel, intellectuel. Long, longue. Long, longue. Naïf, naïve. Naïf, naïve. Rue, rousse. Rue, rousse. Get the R's going there. Vieux, vieille. Vieux, vieille. The forms of the adjective nouveau follow the same pattern of those of beau. Notice the difference here. And there's j'ai trois nouveaux stylos. Tu aimes la nouvelle horloge. Masculine, feminine, singular, plural. You have to make them match up. Other adjectives that follow this pattern are heureux, curieux, malheureux, neuveur, sérieux. The turns into euse. So the on the ending turns into euse. Unlike most French adjectives, certain ones are placed before the nouns they modified. Special ones here that go before the noun. These include beau, bon, grand, gros, jeune, jolie, long, nouveau, petit, and vieux, like j'aime bien les grandes familles. Joël est un vieux copain. Yeah. Other adjectives that are also generally placed before a noun are mauvais or mauvaise, pauvre, and vrai, vrai. Ça, c'est un pauvre homme. C'est une vraie catastrophe. When pauvre and vrai are placed after the noun, they have a slightly different meaning. Pauvre means poor, as in not rich, no money, and vrai means true, like true and false. Ça, c'est un ça, c'est un homme pauvre versus c'est une histoire vraie. When placed before a masculine singular noun that begins with a vowel sound, these adjectives have a special form. Beau turns into belle, like un bel appartement. Vieux turns into vieille, like un vieil homme. Nouveau, nouvelle, un nouvel ami. The plural indefinite article des changes to de when the adjective comes before the noun. The plural indefinite article des again changes to de, so check out these forms. J'habite avec de bons amis, or j'habite avec des amis sympathiques. So when the adjective comes before the noun, you got de bons amis. When the adjective comes after, it just stays des amis sympathiques. A few of these, putting the forms in. Again, go into your VHL and try to do your best. Hope this helps.